Berries are something that ordinarily aren't juiced that often. That's because they're softer. It's harder to extract juice through a screen with a berry. But if you mix it with other ingredients, it can make a nice juice. Hi, it's Dan with EUJUICERS.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a recipe for a summer berry juice. Now, the trick here is if you've got a coarse screen, which is something that comes with these Sauna 878 vertical juicers, you can use that. But if you don't, you can also use something firm. What I'm doing here, I've got carrots. Carrots are going to help force the berries through the juicing screen. You don't want to juice berries just on their own, but with a firm ingredient like that, that's going to help. I've also got pineapple because the light kind of tropical taste complements strawberries really well. And I'm going to juice one of these apples here. This is Granny Smith. Those are the best apples for juicing because they have a high juice content and they're firmer. And the whole combination should make a real refreshing juice. I'm anxious to try it out, so let's get started. So that mixed up fast. Those carrots really help push the strawberries through. I don't normally juice berries, but I'm curious to try it. That's good. You taste the pineapple a lot, and you definitely taste the strawberries. It makes it a little bit thicker, but it's still got a real good consistency. Yeah, I think maybe next time I would even add a lime, maybe some coconut milk or frozen coconut milk cubes, or even a bit of ginger. But it's a great base recipe and a great way to juice berries. Again, mix berries with something firm like carrots, and if you have a coarse screen, make sure to use that. I'd be curious to see what your favorite juice recipes are for summer as well. Please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan with EUJUICERS.com, and I'll see you next time.